Alrighty, did something today. As you can see, I'm gonna blur that out, but I have one cluster. That is my Foxstain cluster. What I'm working on is a new Viking UI thing. So if I do an apply, auto approve, don't do that. I mean, you can, but I just don't want to type yes. Actually, type more characters. Whatever, I don't care. I forgot to time it, but I'm recording the video, so we'll be able to time it that way through the timestamps and stuff. It's going to take a few minutes, so I'm going to see if I can pause the recording. Right now it's 12:23. Yeah, I'm going to pause the recording and come back when it's all done. But high level, it's making certificates, making a Fargate instance, Fargate cluster task definition to point to, and a DNS entry certificate, and all that other stuff. Everything to tie it together. Went from nothing to having DNS entry certificate, load balancer, things, or task definition, and it should cross multiple regions. I may have it only set to one, so I don't remember. Anyway, try the yeah, this is the part that's going to take a little while. All right, I'm going to pause it. I'll be back in a few minutes. Oh, I'm not really back yet. I'm just showing you that it is still running. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Timing is going to be a little bit off because I was away, but we can still match up all the timestamps if we really wanted. 2 minutes and whatever. Anywho, it should be done. Let's refresh. Yeah, we now have the Viking UI cluster. It is active. It's the deployment is completed. It's healthy. It is running. Health status is unknown. Whatever. Anyway, so now we're gonna pull up another tab, just so you know that's the boink. Okay, there we go. And I don't remember if I fixed this part or not. It should redirect. Nope, I didn't fix that part. I bet you it's because port 80 is not open. That's why. Okay. In my rules here, I'm only allowing that port 443, so I need to add 80 to the security group for that other one to work. That's why that's not working. Not a big deal. Once I open up 80, then it'll redirect and go 443 anyway. Whatever. It's connecting to, let's see if I can, yeah, it's not really proprietary, whatever, I don't care. In here, forget exactly where it's at. That task. Nope. There it is. Whoop, there it is. Okay. It has two environment variables passed in. So I can change those or whatever. You could run your container and actually I don't think it would work. I don't remember. Whatever. I'm rambling. That's all I got at the moment. Point is this works as a ECS cluster, and so the next thing I want to do is whenever I commit code to my UI project, it'll automatically do a instance refresh or a refresh of the task definition, so it'll auto deploy for me. Hooray! All right, take care, y'all.